In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D Parallax interactive website with no code in Wix Studio. Creating stunning, interactive websites doesn't have to involve complex coding. In fact, with Wix Studio, you can achieve incredible effects with just a few clicks. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to navigate to the Wix website editor. Open up your preferred browser and head over to Wix, logging into your account if you're not already. Once you're logged in, find your way to the website editor, where all the magic will happen. This is your workspace, where you can add elements, adjust layouts, and transform a simple web page into an interactive masterpiece. Now, let's start building. Look towards the left-hand side of your editing screen and locate the Add Section button. Clicking on this will open a multitude of options for sections you can add to your page. Pick a section that fits the theme or design you're aiming for. This framework will set the tone for the rest of your site. With your section in place, it's time to add some elements. Again, on the left side, click on Add Elements. This is where Wix truly shines, offering an array of elements like text, images, buttons, and more to inject some personality into your site. For our interactive effect, click on Video and Music. This choice will open a variety of multimedia options that can significantly enhance user engagement on your website. From here, navigate to Transparent Video. Transparency in videos allows for layering, which is essential for the parallax effect we're aiming to create. If you're curious about what more you can do, click More Transparent Videos. This menu provides additional options and inspirations, ensuring you have the perfect fit for your vision. Choose your desired video, or if you have something specific in mind, you can upload your own media. This customization gives your website a unique touch that matches your brand's identity. Once you've made your selection, the next step is to Add to Page. This action will place the video into the section you've created, making it ready for further editing and customization. To enhance the interactivity of your site, head over to Animation and Effects. Within this section, explore mouse effects. These add layers of interactivity responding to a user's movement, enhancing the site's dynamic feel. Select the highlight effect. This choice adds emphasis and depth when users hover over different sections, creating a subtle 3D parallax effect that captivates visitors. Finally, hit Customize to tweak the settings to your liking, ensuring each element flows cohesively across the page. By following these steps, you've crafted a visually stunning, interactive website with a 3D parallax effect, all without typing a single line of code. Play around, explore other options within Wix, and refine your design to perfection. Thanks for joining me today, and have fun creating.